First problem, f of mn equivalent to f of m plus n, f of mn equivalent to f of m plus n, f of 2 equivalent to 2005, f of 2 power 2005 equivalent to how much? F of mn equivalent to f of m plus n, f of 2. Definitely you will get one question from this topic in CAT examination. I have not, I'm from last 14 years I'm teaching CAT classes. I have not seen any CAT paper without recursive and iterative function. F of mn equivalent to f of m plus n, f of 2 is 2005, f of 2 power 2005. Solution. If I put f of m as 1, n as 2. 1 into 2, f of 2 is nothing but 1 plus 2 is 3. F of 3 is nothing but f of 2. Suppose if I put m equivalent to 1, n equivalent to 3. 1 into 3 is 3. F of 3 is 1 plus 3, 4. If I put m equivalent to 1, n equivalent to 4. F of 4 is nothing but 1 plus 4, 5. F of 5 is becoming 4, 4 is becoming 3, 3 is becoming 2. That means every value which is coming after f of 2, it is coming back to f of 2. It is coming back to f of 2. That means f of 2, f of 3, f of 4, f of 5 and so on. Everything is coming back to f of 2. This is a example of a constant function where the value only is the value for the next upcoming function. So f of 2 power 2005 will also come back to f of 2. What is f of 2 value? F of 2 value is 2005. A beautiful question to start with. A beautiful question to start with. This is an example of a constant function. In a constant function, there will be a singular output. In a constant function, there will be a singular output. There will be a singular output. Singular output means f of 3, f of 4, f of 5, f of 6. Every value after f of 2 will come down to f of 2. So answer is 2005. I hope it is clear. First question, I hope it is clear. Right? Second question, please write down, sir. This is an example of a constant function. First one. Second one, listen carefully. Definitely one question you will get it from this topic. Today again, another very, very important topic. Question number 2. Question number 2. All you have to do is just keep listening to the classes and write it sincerely, sir. F of x plus 3 by 2 is f of x. F of x. X is a real number. X is a real number. F of 5 equivalent to 8. F of 5 equivalent to 8. F of 8 equivalent to how much? Question number 2. F of x plus 3 by 2 is f of x. F of 5 equivalent to 8. F of 8. Now see here. Beautiful question, sir. F of x plus 3 by 2 is nothing but f of x. Suppose if it is f of 8. 8 is nothing but 5 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Can I write like this? Why am I writing like this? The function is of the form f of x plus 3 by 2. Suppose if I call it as m. F of m plus 3 by 2. F of m plus 3 by 2 is nothing but f of m. So this is nothing but f of 5 plus 3 by 2. Again 5 plus 3 by 2 is nothing but f of 5. F of 5 is nothing but 8. A classical case. A classic case. Now if you observe, suppose if I take f of 11. 11 is nothing but f of 8 plus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2. This is nothing but if I take it as m. F of m plus 3 by 2 is f of m. It is f of 8 plus 3 by 2. F of x plus 3 by 2 is f of x. F of 8. F of 8 is 8. The cyclicity or the function value, cyclicity of this function, cyclicity of this function is 3 steps. After 3 steps, it will be the same. Cyclicity of this function is 3 steps. That means f of 5 plus 3k, it is nothing but f of 5. It could be k value 1, it could be k value 2, it could be k value 3, it could be k value 4, it could be k value any number. F of 5 plus 3k is nothing but f of 5. Please make a note. If I put k value 20, 20 into 3, 60. 60 plus 5 is f of 65. F of 65 is f of 5. F of 5 is 8. F of 5 is 8. I hope it is clear. F of 5 is 8. Extremely very important questions. Keep listening to a class one by one, sir. By the time we complete 20 to 25 questions, you will get a clarity on this question. Question number 2. Question number 3. Cyclicity of this function is 3. Question number 3. Question is like this. A1 equivalent to previous year CAT questions. A1 equivalent to 1. an plus 1 minus 3an plus 2 equivalent to 4n. n greater than or equivalent to 1. Find a100. Find a100. It is nothing but 3 power 99 minus 200. 3 power 99 plus 200. 3 power 100 minus 200. 3 power 100 plus 200. 200. Another very important question. A1 equivalent to 1. an plus 1 minus 3an plus 2 is 4n. n greater than or equivalent to 1. A100. Solution. Solution. If I put n equivalent to 1, this will become a1 plus 1 2. a2 minus 3a1 plus 2 is nothing but 4 into 1 4. n is 1. So a2 minus 1 is 4. a2 is nothing but 5. All options are of the form 3 power 3 power 3 power. 5 can be written as 3 square minus 2 into 2. 3 square minus 2 into 2. Suppose if I take n value 3, 2. If I put n value 2, this will become 2 plus 1 is 3. a3 minus 3a2 plus 2 is 4 into 2, 8. a2 is nothing but 5. Minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13, which is 21. 21 is 3 cube minus 3 into 2. Now if you observe, a2 is nothing but 3 square. a3 is nothing but 3 cube. a4 is also nothing but 3 power 4. If it is 3 here, it is 3 into 2. If it is 2 here, it is 2 into 2. If it is 4 here, it is 4 into 2. The question is a100. It is nothing but 3 power 100 minus 100 into 2. So answer for this question is 3 power 100 minus 200. A beautiful question. Answer is 3 power 100 minus 200. Answer is 3 power 100 minus 200. 3 power 100 minus 200. 3 power 100 minus 200. I hope the idea is clear. Very important model, sir. If I put n value 1, a2 minus 3a1 plus 2 is 4. a1 is 1. So I got minus a2 minus 1 is 4. a2 is 5. Just a pure pattern observation. 5 is nothing but 3 square minus 2 into 2. a3 is nothing but 3 cube minus 3 into 2. 27 minus 6 is 21. a100 is nothing but 3 power 100 minus 100 into 2, which is 200. Question number 3. I hope it is clear. Question number 4. Please write down. Question number 4. I hope the idea is clear, right, sir? Question number 4.